What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Aaron's Yard. We got a fun task we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be cutting down a tree. I haven't cut a tree in a little while. Haven't had to on the yard, but got the backhoe out. Been doing some clearing so we can stack all the wood we mill over here. So I'll be making set up for the milling and all the wood so I can sticker it and stack it. I ended up making this beautiful rock wall over here out of the rubble rock, kind of to protect my beautiful dogwood tree. That's my favorite tree on my property right here. Beautiful white flowers come on that in the beginning of the springtime, and it's just a healthy tree. I want to protect it so nothing gets damaged on it. So the task at hand is to cut down this black birch right here. It's a tall one. It's not that big. It's about 10 inches at the base, but it's kind of tall, but the top of it is dead. So this one's going to have to go so I can have more room over here to sticker all my lumber as I produce it. I recently just cleared out all the weeds around my red oak logs, and these will be getting ready to mill very soon. I do have some hemlock on the mill right now, so let's just get to it. Let's cut this baby down. So there you have it, guys. One birch tree down the ground. Yeah, it's about 10 inches. Like a decent sized boot on that. So yeah, it's pretty close. But nice birch, black birch. It's pretty long. Fell exactly where I wanted to because keep it off the ground, easy to cut it up. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. All right, let's cut her up. that's it. The birch is all cut up. Let's go dig out a stump. No better way. Let's move the logs, dig out a stump. Well, there you have it, guys. Got that stump dug out. Got everything cleared up. It's all backfilled, nice and firm. So this is where I'm gonna be stacking all my millwood. So I'm gonna be making like a stand portion for the wood itself out of concrete block, and I will put stuff across wood and stack and sticker everything. So that's going to be doing it for this episode, guys. We got it cleared out, ready to put the wood supports in for the lumber when I mill it, and then I'll put covering over the top of that so I can air dry it. We have a nice southerly to northerly breeze coming through this way. East is that direction, west is that way, south, north. So this will be a nice setup over in here. When I go to build my house, it will be out of the way because the house is going towards the back a little bit more. But all in all, I think it went pretty well today. Cutting the tree down, cutting it up, removing the brush, digging the stump, and yeah, all in all, great day. So the yard is starting to shape up. Gonna be moving some of the logs around, repositioning. I'm gonna have to process some more firewood soon because I got a lot that's building up. But that's gonna do it for this episode, guys. I'll tell you what, I'll split you later.